So, once again, welcome you all to this fantastic learning experience of a beautiful tool started in Australia many years back. And it's a free platform for people to showcase their creativity, visual communication. You want to say something, you want to show something, instead of sharing dull information which is not visually appealing. Can we make it really interesting by coming up with something very beautifully curated? Okay, so that is Canva for you. And we'll first see the video of this platform to understand what are the possibilities, and then we'll discuss further, learn more about this particular platform. So through eTeach India, we're all learning this platform today, which is Canva. Shall we start? Are you all excited? Give a thumbs up and we
Yes,
can
sir.
go. Lovely.
Yes.
Here we go.
Welcome to Canva. Here's how to create and share inspiring designs. On the left, you'll find everything you can add to your design. Choose from thousands of templates or start from scratch. To begin, just drag and drop a template to your page. The Elements tab has graphics, photos, videos, charts, and more. Upload photos or videos like this. Everything is customizable. Select the object you want to change, and a toolbar will appear above. Let's start with color. Select any element, then click the color tile. Choose any color you like, or pick a color from the design. Double-click to edit text. Then use the toolbar to change size, alignment, or spacing. Find the perfect font here. Let's add some animation magic. Click the page, open the Animate tab, and select your style. On the right, you can download, share to social media, and order professional prints. Sign up to save your design, collaborate with teammates, and so much more. Now it's your turn.
All right, was it exciting? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
superb. So we're going
Yes,
to
sir.
start fantastic journey now
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
with
Yes,
Canva.
sir.
Great. Okay. So I'll start sharing my screen and we learn more about this platform. Okay. Quickly run through different possibilities. You already have downloaded the platform. So this is a graphic design tool. Okay. So many of you in the future might become professional video editors, designers, and you might have seen billboards, you might have seen visuals on television. All this is creatively done by designers. Okay, so this is also a profession. And today we're learning about this design platform which makes designing very easy because they're ready to make templates available which give you a lot of inspiration. And you can start off to make, whether it's invites for your programs, invites for your birthday, invites for your school day, whatever might be the occasion, a poster, a invite, a presentation, uh, a video, a logo, a visiting card, whatever you want to make. This is a very simple platform for everyone to use, and you have ready to make templates available, so you can pick and choose and vary the color combinations and make some magic happen. Okay, so you can also make social media posts. As an interact club, you have to have a social media presence. Your school already has. So how come you have a interact club social media handle where you can constantly come up with social media content? And using Canva, whatever video you've shot, whatever photo you have taken, you can add text to it, you can add some template to it and make it look more appealing. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Canva, the latest design. You have home, projects, templates, brand hub, apps. You can create a team. So for free users, you have some limitations. For paid users, you have some more things that they can explore. Okay, so this is the home page, and you can do documents, you can do presentations, social media related stuff, videos. You can have print products, websites. You can create website on this platform free of cost. Okay, and the link might not look like what do you say, raintree.com. So you can use tiny URL or bit.ly, something like that, to shorten the link. Otherwise, you'll have like 4 lines of link. So that's the only drawback. But if you're able to use a tiny URL link and shorten the link, then you can share it as your website. Okay. So let's move on. How you have to create your account? You already know, you've downloaded the app, you've used your email ID, and you have configured your Canva account. Okay, once you have confirmed the through your email, you confirm the code. So why is it the basic best tool available in the market? A lot of things possible, and even professional designers use it. And it was mainly designed for non-designers, but since it's so easy to use and so quick to sort of get into action, even professional designers use across the world. Okay, it's a powerful dashboard, a lot of things you can explore, a lot of possibilities. So while you're doing it, you can get more ideas, and you can collaborate with others. You are, imagine you have, one of you is looking at the text part, one of you is looking at the photo part, and one of them is focusing on putting everything together. So 3 people or even 40 people can work on the same design at the same time, same page. You can see different names working on the same particular poster or video. We'll explore all that. So basic tools of Canva, you can do curved text generator, different fonts you can use that is available. You can create, you can try to work with different effects that are there, whether it's for photo or for text. Image can be, the photo can be enhanced. You can add frames to the photo. You can add text to the photo. Imagine your name with your name with your photo. It looks better than just your photo, right? So all these creative things you can do. Online video, you can record video, you can trim, convert videos to MP4. So let's quickly look at the homepage explanation. We'll quickly rush through all this, and then we'll get into the tool where we can experiment. Okay. So design wise, you should know for Instagram, the size is different. For Facebook, the size is different. For YouTube, the size is different. So you have to customize the size based on that. All right. And background, you have to design by choosing a good background color for whatever you're communicating. A color is very, very important. Okay, you're trying to communicate something very subtle and you have a very bright color, it might not go in hand. Okay, so design language is important. You have to understand what color goes when. For example, you see below, uh, different colors tell different stories. Purple is associated with individuality, orange relates to activity, green conjures image of nature. Okay, so whatever photo you have, whatever story you're trying to tell, use the right background color. And you'll also get gradients of colors as well. Okay, so if you have a good color combination, imagine you are a brand. Okay, you might have seen Zomato. Zomato uses red and white. That is their brand color. Most of the communication they try to use that. Swiggy might have orange. Okay, they might have color combinations. So we have to see what color is associated with your brand and use most of that to be consistent. Okay, Blinkit, you might see yellow and black, right? So all these apps, you'll see they are working with those specific colors. Those are their palette, brand color palette. The background for your design could be a color or an image. Okay. So imagine you're doing something on Gandhi Jayanti and you're trying to have Gandhi ji as the background, and it might be a sketch of Gandhi ji, it might be a photo of Gandhi ji, but all the text is going to come on that, but the photo is in the background. You can have transparent background, you can have bright background, so it all comes down to you. Next, background photos. Different things you can do. You can make it as a collage. You can resize the photo. You can crop the photo, flip it. So many things that you can do. Drag and drop. You just have to upload from your existing phone or laptop, or if you just type and search for that particular thing. Say you're searching for a cycle. So there are a few photos, few designs freely available. So you can use that there are few which are paid. So if you choose a paid element, then on that you'll find Canva as a watermark. So if you don't want to have that watermark, then you should go for free elements. Otherwise, whatever photo you have taken or whatever photo is available with you, you can use that to create the design. Okay, and photos you can again change brightness, saturation, clarity, all these things. Add your own elements, choose the right fonts. It'll the right combination will make it look good, and don't try to give too much information in one particular thing. It'll look very messy. This design has to be simplistic and looks elegant. So for a paid Canva user, you have background remover as a feature where for a photo you can remove the background. Right now I have this table tennis table as the background, the curtain is there, the wall is there, all that can be removed, only I'll be there. So this, if you don't have a paid account, then you can use remove bg is a website where you can upload your photo and then remove the background. Remove bg, make a note of that. Next, templates, browse through your selection. So imagine you're trying to, next Dasara is coming up, or Deepavali is coming up. You want to wish someone. So templates are already there. You just type Diwali, you'll get so many templates. You customize the message on that. You add your photo, you add your name to it, and say best wishes from Tanu and family, Lucky and family, and send it to your family friends. They'll feel so happy, right? So same way, your Interact Club can also have that particular logo along with the message, the photo, everything. You can have it in English, you can have it in Kannada. Multiple languages are possible. Language you'll find it in English here. You can go to Google, translate it to Kannada, copy and paste it here. That is also possible. Okay, so it all comes down to your creativity at the end of the day. Use the templates, customize it in such a way that it should look like your own. Don't just use the template as is. Okay, and you have video. You can use the videos that you have shot. You can use videos that are available. Again, that watermark thing, you have to be careful. Try to avoid the ones with watermark. Okay, instant animation. You can just, you saw that in the video explainer video where instant they're trying to animate text, animate photo, character, a lot of things possible. Resizing your designs based on where you want to use it. You want to use it as a banner, the shape is different. You want to use it for Instagram, it's going to be square. So all those things you can resize. Again, this is a paid feature. Stay on brand, use the same logo, use the same font, use the same color, brand colors. All these things will make it consistent. Transparent images, you can while downloading, you can download it as a transparent image, PNG. And then you have schedule social. You can also try to schedule posts on your social media accounts. Premium content, a lot of things available in the library at no cost. You get few of these free of cost. Okay, so how to learn designing on Canva. Now you see the project section here. This is where all the projects you would have done will be visible. So you have to, you can either use an existing project or you can start a new project. Okay, so click on create a design, and then you have, if you want to do a presentation, click on presentation. If you want to create a logo, click on logo. Then how to edit a design. You have to first, you identify an image, you click the image. Now you try to add text to it, and then you can also have background. The background color you can change. Okay, so orange, black on the left side, orange on the right side. Then you can search for gradients, and you'll be able to find gradients, and then use that. That will make it more appealing, but it should match whatever you're trying to say. How to change the graphics color. You search for a graphic, you'll find it, you paste it, and then you can change the color. An orange yellow looking mango can be changed to green color. Okay, so few elements will give you the option to change the color, few elements will not have that option, so you have to check and experiment. How to upload a video and photo, I'll show you. How to apply an effect is also something I'll show you. Background part, paid account will be different than a free account. You'll be able to find lines, shapes, all these things make your design interesting, but it should match whatever you're trying to communicate. Okay, so if you want to uh, get people to collaborate on whatever you're trying to do, collaboration is quite simple. We'll explore that as well. You can either add a member to the design by sharing by adding their email ID to it, or you can create an open link that you share with your friends, and all of them will have visibility. You can have access for them to just view, or you can have access for them to work on it as well. You can browse for templates, you can browse for elements, choose a file type and download to your device after you're done. So you can download it, you can publish it as a link, you can publish it as a website, a lot of possibilities. So Canva shortcuts are there. You have to figure out that. Uh, Collate different parts together. You can work on putting photos, music, animation, all these things together. Smart mockups is a feature. QR codes you can add from link to QR code. You can create QR codes easily on your poster instead of having a registration link. If you send a poster to your friend for an event and they click on it, you can't embed a link on it, so they can't register on it, right? So instead, you can have a QR code which will when they scan the QR code, it should lead to that Google form. So all these things we will learn. Okay. And you can also live stream via Canva. You can use screen recorder. You can create logo maker to make amazing brand images. Magic resize tool for different platforms. Someone's working on something, you want to leave a comment for them to work on it. That is also possible. Cloud storage can be used. Graph you can make, and whatever numbers are there, you can show it as a graph. So visually you can make it more appealing. Okay. Use color palettes, utilize pictures on Canva that is already available, get palette visions and font mixtures. Okay, so this is the overview of the platform. Do you have any doubts so far? We're going to now jump into the platform and try to create something. Yeah, are you excited now?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes,
Like,
sir.
Yes, yes,
uh,
ma'am, please tell me.
you told me that watermarks. Like,
Huh.
I know watermarks are like date or time. These are the watermarks.
Okay.
If I'm not wrong, is it correct, sir?
No, watermarks mostly will be if someone has taken a photo, their name might be the watermark. So
Okay, sir.
on Canva, the elements that are there, they don't want to give it free of cost. Few of them will be paid elements. So
Okay,
how do
sir.
they differentiate? They'll have that Canva watermark on them.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So only for paid users that will be made available free of cost. For
Okay,
others, it will be available, but the Canva watermark will come.
okay, sir.
Okay. So now I'll show you a design on laptop, and we'll try to explore. Lucky is trying to enter. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so I'm not even logged in. I'm just saying start design. Okay, so it will prompt you to continue with Google, which you can, or you can do that later. So now this is the home. Yeah, and once you start designing, so this is a square template. So tell me what you want me to create, and then we will start from there. Any suggestions? Any upcoming festival you want to wish for?
Sir, I wanna wish for Christmas.
Sir, Diwali.
Diwali. Diwali is
Yes, sir,
sooner than
Diwali.
Christmas. So we'll start with Diwali, or we can take we can wish Team India for the World Cup. Okay, you want to try that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
let's look at. We can just search for
Yes,
Team
sir.
India cricket. See if something comes. Okay, so you get all these designs. Now this particular design is good, but we don't have the Indian cricket players here, right? So now, how about we take an existing design like this and we'll make changes. So it's asking me to log in. So I'm going to log in. Okay, let's type that again. Team India Cricket. So we'll choose this design. So that is a pro element. Okay, so see this king, the crown symbol, those are all pro designs. Okay, so we can't use that when we are using a free account. So we can look at few of these free elements. So this one is there. So we'll this one is also a paid element. Match day. So this is a football. Any design you're liking for cricket, which is not paid. This one is not paid. Okay. So let's take this. All right. Cricket match. Just say India versus. What is the next match coming up?
Bangladesh.
Sir,
Yes,
Bangladesh.
sir.
Desh. Okay. So template is already there. We just changed it. India versus Bangladesh. What is the date? Any idea?
19th.
19, sir.
Is it a Sunday? October 19th.
Thursday, sir.
Thursday, sir.
Thursday.
October 19, 2023. Timings?
2 p.m. 2 p.m., sir.
2 p.m.
Thursday. So these are all editable fields. Okay. 2 p.m. p.m. Okay. This is not required. All the best, Team India. Now we can add different effects to it. Okay. Text. Let's see what all different. So this is font. You can choose different fonts here. See what is interesting for you. Let's say Bebas, and then make it bold. Increase the font size. Can make it 75. Yeah, this line is there. You can move the text and get it down. This, and then alignment. This is bullet. You can have list in the form of bullets. This is alignment of your text. We have chosen center alignment. So date information is there. It's doing all the best, Team India. Okay. Now photo. This has already been used. If we delete this, we can use Team India photo. That can be done by going to Google. Team India cricket. So which photo do you want? This is the 20-player squad. Let's see. So you can just copy and paste on your design. Okay. You can upload as well. So we'll come here, pull this. Color combination was also nice. Now we were trying to see if we can change the color. This one, this color is different than this color, correct? So we'll have to see if we can match that color. If we match the color, then the entire thing will look like a single design, correct? So India, we can do center alignment here versus we have to see whether it is center align. So when you try to pull and move it, you will get that center line. So that will give you an indication whether the alignment is right or not. Okay. So India, we can actually increase the font size because the letters are lesser. So India versus Bangladesh, still not looking good. We can take this further. Or we can just say all the best Team India, no? ICC. See the colors they have used. They've used yellow, white, right? So suddenly if we use blue, it won't look nice. What is our Bleed Blue campaign? Have you heard of Bleed Blue?
No, sir.
Bleed Blue is a campaign by Team India for cricket. Okay. So all the best Team India is done. Anything else you want to say? This is perfectly sitting well. The color combination is good. Even if you remove this blue color thing, still looks nice. Okay, now anything else you want to say in this? This can also be text color can be yellow. So again, this white and yellow thing is playing out. Yeah. If you want to animate this, you can animate. You can you can play with transparency. You can do a website out of this. You can download this file as well. Now I can share this with few people. I can write the email ID. I can share this with someone to for them to see. Only you can access. Anyone with link can edit, can view, can comment. Okay. So now I'm going to give can edit access to Priyanka ma'am. Okay. Priyanka ma'am, I'm sending this to you on WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Now you can work on it parallelly. Just try to click on the link. Your name will pop up here and you can make some changes. So here in elements, we can look at different designs. Cricket, if you search, see, all these things are there. So we can have some free element from here. Are you able to click on the link, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I've already done.
Okay. What are you able to do? Are you able to change something?
Sir, if there is an option called edit design.
Yeah, click on that.
Yes, sir.
Now try to move something here. Try to change the color. Try to move the element. Are you able to do it? See, this ball is there. So now this photo, I can play with transparency. I can make it transparent like this. Yeah. I can move it front and back. Can click on this layer, send to back. So that black color element is there. So you're not able to see. Control Z and you're back. So we can send it, send backward. Yeah. This is also something you can do. Again, play with transparency. You could also have this entire thing up, bring it forward, bring it to front. See this again, play with transparency further. So it will feel like a double image. Yeah. Ma'am, were you able to? I don't see your. Yeah, now I see. Try to move something, try to add something. So you can animate it as well. So you can, like how you would do it on PowerPoint, right? So you can animate.
So my page is empty actually.
Your page is empty.
Yes, sir.
Did you click on the link?
Yes,
Try to
sir.
click on the link once more.
Okay, sir.
So edit photo. Let's duplicate this. One additional page. Ball we have deleted. Let's take one photo and then try to edit that photo for us to get a better understanding. So let's take this picture. So you can set the picture as the background. Okay, set image as background. So all these extra designs you can take it out if it's not making sense. Now, image, what all you can edit. So background remover is a paid element, paid feature. There are few free features as well. So this magic edit is a free feature. So you can using AI, it'll create something for you. Okay, let's say add a deer. So now most of the things are AI powered, right? So Canva is also supported by AI. So a lot of creative things are possible on the platform. It'll take some time for you to generate, but it will generate new results for you every time. So you can prompt what exactly you want. Add a deer. Okay, continue. Add a deer. Let's see if it has added a deer. So basically, it's a new integration with AI. See, you can find the deer here. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So like this, you can use the power of AI to come up with something new. Okay. So let's do Control Z. Let's try to edit the image further. You can explore all these options. You can do autofocus. See, everything else is getting blurred. Only the ball is getting focused. what is that you want to focus on. This is how the camera also looks. Camera also gives you options on which area you want to focus on, right? So ball is your subject. That is something you can look at in editing. Okay. Next thing that you can edit with the photo, can have half blur, intensity, full blur. The background is entirely blurred. There's no blur. Okay. So when you're keeping this as the background and your photo is already background is removed, then you can place your photo on this and you can have a blur background. So you'll get that bokeh effect. Yeah. Okay. Next, shadows. So you have shadow around the photo. You can define the size of the shadow. All these things you can explore. Clear? So this is the basic edit of your photo. And you can also choose different filters, different effects, whatever is available free of cost. You can explore all that. Okay. Mockups is putting the same design on t-shirts, mugs, all this. You have a logo that has been created. Now we want to see the same on your laptop. Okay. So this particular field that you see is for images. Okay. So whatever image you want to place, you can place it on this. See, now that ball is visible inside the laptop. Got it? So these are different possibilities with respect to editing photos, editing text. You can have shapes added. You can have the shape of any color. Then shape can have different border. You can have dotted border. You can have line as the border. Okay. The thickness of the border also can be designed. The shape of the corner can be round or can be straight. Okay. So, and you can have text on top as well. So these are different ways of making your design more interesting. And position, if you want to animate it, let's say party. Okay. So you can animate your photo as well. And then you can have text on top. Say, we are cheering for you. It can be couple of slides, right? So now we are cheering for you is not visible if I put it here because I've chosen a wrong color. So let's say I'm doing this. My color combination idea should be correct. Either I change the color to something bright or I change the background. I can add a shape. So we'll just take another 5 minutes and then close the session. Priyanka ma'am, is it fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can add the shape and then the shape can be configured further. You can do this. You can crop and the color can be decided. So imagine you have a white background. The text is also bright and the background is also bright. So it might not look so good. So black is good, looking good. But can we have something matching the background at the back? So the green color background. Again, the background can also be transparent. You can increase, play with the level of transparency. So it's fully transparent. It's half transparent. All these things you can play with. And text, if you want to make it in caps, you've already written down the text, but the text is in small letter. So you can go here, you can click on this, everything will be in caps. Okay. This you already know, italic, bold, you already know. This is for alignment. This is for when you have points, you'll have, say, so we can have bullet points like this. Yeah. And then spacing, letter spacing, you can spread it out, line spacing. Yeah. All these things you can do. Any doubts so far? Okay. Ma'am, were you able
No,
to
sir.
change some? Were you able to change something, or you are
No.
still seeing blank?
I'll just check, sir.
Okay. Now we'll add some more text to it. We'll add best wishes from Raintree School. Okay. Raintree School, is there a gap between rain and tree?
No, sir.
You guys use blue and white as your branding image, correct? Branding colors.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You have
sir.
to be you have to be observant of all this now going forward. Okay. So now we'll try to take this up. The line can come down. You can click on this dark blue. Okay. So this can be your poster. Best wishes from Raintree School, or you can add the logo of Raintree School as well. That you can take it from Google. Okay, we can take this image, copy image, come here, then paste the logo. Okay. So if we had a paid account, we could have removed background as well. But since we are working with a free account, we can go to remove BG. We found Raintree image here. We take this, come here, drop it here. We'll have to save the image now. Save image as Raintree logo. It's taking as web page. Okay, I think it's worked. So let's try to download. Okay, so it's showing only JPEG and PNG. Okay, so we can You guys can try it again once you have the PNG file. Has it already been pasted on the link? Anyone can see? Are you with me so far? Is it boring? Are you able to learn something new?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we've
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
super.
Yes, sir.
We've got the logo now incorporated. So remove BG, we will try next time. Okay. But I'll show you in the paid account
Okay,
how
sir.
the remove background works. Okay. See now this is there in the paid account. I have access to these tools. So I can click on remove background. Unless and until there is some issue, it should remove the background. There seems to be some issue. So we'll come back to this later. Okay. So you understood, right? Only the logo would have been seen if we had removed the background. If we change this background to white color, then it will look like there is no background. It's just everything is white. Yeah. So now coming back to this, we can now download this as PNG. So download PNG file, only the first page, done, download. So now the poster is downloaded. You can see the finished product. This is how it looks. Okay. You tweaked some information. You added an image. You added the logo of your school. Got it? So I want you guys to now try at home. Are you able to see the share or you're not able to see it?
Now we can see, sir.
Okay. Are you able to?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me share screen. Huh. Now you'll be able to see wherever I go. Yeah. So now this is the end product. Okay. So I'll just copy this and share it to ma'am. Now each of you will have to do a very simple task. Add your photo to the slide. Add your name to the slide. Okay. And come up with the craziest font. And then add so photo, your name in text, and if possible, Raintree logo. These three you add, download the file, and share it to Priyanka ma'am. Okay, that's the first task. And then towards the festival, we'll have one more session of this to understand more of this, and we'll have a Mad Ads contest where we will come up with, we'll give you a topic, and as a team, you have to brainstorm and come up with a unique product. And visually, you have to showcase. Since we are running out of time today, we'll do it on a different day. I'll schedule it with Priyanka ma'am. Okay, so first task, create one. I want you to add eTeach India logo. I want you to add your name, your photo, okay, and Raintree logo, Raintree school logo. Do you think you'll be able to do it?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So one
Yes,
last
sir.
tip
Yes,
on
sir.
your text, what all you can do. So let's look at this. Go to effects. You can choose the different text. You can choose the size. After all that is done, you can look at effect. You can do all these three things. AG, see how the text is varying. Intensity you can vary. Okay. Then you can do something like this where it's all like this. It's like someone can see through that, through the text, right? Then you can do this color combination. So use this effect, use your photo. So it should be like this. Got it?
Yes.
Use text like this particular text I want, and then your photo. You use a good photo of yours. So this also thickness you can vary. You can have it like this. Yeah. So try to do this and share it with Priyanka ma'am. And this Canva course in detail is available on our eTeach India platform. I want you guys to complete this course in a couple of days and get the completion certificate, both the public speaking and the Canva course. Once you complete this for public speaking, once all of you complete the public speaking course, we will have a contest on public speaking. Okay, same way, Canva, I'll give you 1 month for you to master all these tools, uh, acquire more skill sets. Once that is done, we'll have a contest on using Canva. We'll ask you to design something specific. We'll ask you to design an audio, video or a poster for a theme. Okay, so before that, I want you to get used to all this, the tool, and your presentations, your videos, your posters should be so creative that people should be looking up to you for creating professional stuff. Okay, so you guys are tech natives. It comes naturally for you to use technology. So use your phones. If you have laptops, use laptops, but don't forget to be creative. Okay, so we are cheering for you. Let's hope Team India wins against Bangladesh and make it 4-0. But hope you guys had a good learning experience today. Hands-on experience will be the first assignment where you're trying to make the poster with your photos and you're trying to add text to it, and then you'll add eTeach India logo. I'll also share the eTeach India logo with Priyanka ma'am. You can take it from her or you can take it from the website. Go to eteachindia.com and you can save the image and then use it. Okay, so any doubts so far? If all of you can switch on your video, we'll take a quick picture and today's session we can end. And next session, we'll do that mad ads thing where you need a little bit of knowledge of the platform before we can put you in a challenging scenario. So it's important that you get used to the platform well. Once you get used to the platform, a lot of fun stuff we can do. We can collaborate, we can work on projects, we can work on different things that we can create awareness to people on specific problems that are there. It can be wildlife conservation, it can be awareness on hygiene. A lot of things are possible. Yeah. So all of you are excited. This is the first step.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
finish the editing your
Yes, sir.
image. The first task you complete, and we'll reschedule the second session, and we'll take it forward from there. Let's take a group picture, Priyanka ma'am.
Yes, sir. I've taken the screenshots also.
Okay, lovely. So with that, let's call it a day. Priyanka ma'am, you had something to say?
No, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for this opportunity. Even I